All right, last story today. Here's a nice little feel-good, old-fashioned, local news type story.
Oh, boy.
Which every once in a while is exactly what you need in your life. Florida couple's poolside coffee break interrupted by huge alligator. In quotes, it was unbelievable. There's a video clip from Fox 13. They were enjoying their coffee Friday morning. And a lot of houses in Florida, they have this fence or screened in pool area. I don't know if you've ever been. Have you been to Florida before?
Have I?
You go visit somebody in Florida, high likelihood that they have one of these screened in pool areas. High likelihood that it backs onto a golf course.
Okay.
And
high likelihood of alligators?
High likelihood that there's alligators somewhere nearby. Anyway, what happened in this particular case, the alligator, about 6 feet long, actually bit through the screen portion. Yeah, you can scroll up to right there, and got itself wedged in,
chilling,
lodged underneath the table. You can see how the table legs are kind of squeaked onto its body there. And you're about to go out there because that's where you enjoy your morning coffee. You just see this guy over here.
Yeah.
I don't think he would be friendly to Otis either.
No. Yeah, they're not cool with each other.
No. Those things got some serious bite force, by the way. Anyway, he eventually, the alligator, I guess, gets free from the table and decides to take a dip in the pool and pretty much just hang out. And so this couple, they sit on the deck and they drink their coffee. They call the animal control. And they sort of watch, they relax and watch the show.
Yeah.
Nobody's harmed. In fact, the alligator they discovered was too big for that area. And the wildlife control people moved it to a more suitable location. If they get too big, too close to people and their pets, sometimes they'll try to move them a little. And you can see there's
extraction.
There's the extraction process. Professional.
He's like, no, don't take me away.
Yeah, it was a warm pool right there.
I was chilling.
That was a warm pool. I had my own pool. I didn't have to compete for anything. I mean, he would have at some point left, presumably, in order to get to eat something. They probably could have left the door open, but this is better because then they can manage the animal and control, like by moving to another area, for example.
Yeah.
But anyway, this is the type of stuff that happens in Florida, if you ever wondered. Golf courses.
I guess it's pretty common, right?
Pools.
Alligators in swimming pools.
Screened in areas.
Yeah.
6-foot alligators when you're...
And they're happy.
Having your morning coffee. Yeah. And they're not aware of the new Lil Nas X sneaker.
No,